In this guide, I'll show you how to fix PS5 error code WS-116449-5. Now, oftentimes this means the service you're using on your PS5 is currently under maintenance. However, what I recommend you do is go to Settings on the home menu, then go to Network Settings, Connection Status, and go to View PlayStation Network Status. Now, if this is yellow or red where these check marks are, that means there's maintenance, so you'll have to wait until everything's green if that's the issue. However, if everything's green, you can go back, and we're going to go back again and go to Network Settings, and then go to Set up Internet Connection. Now what you want to do is highlight the network you're connected to, and press the Options button on your controller, and you want to forget your Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it. Then you want to go back, and we're going to go to Connection Status again, and you want to test your internet connection just to ensure that everything's working properly. Now, if it's not, the next thing I recommend you do is turn off your modem and or router for at least 5 minutes, turning it back on, and then checking out to see if it works. And if you're still getting the error at this point, it could just be that the line's temporarily congested, and you'll just have to wait for the maintenance to finish. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.